Hello, my name is Colina.
Hi, my name is Leanne. Well done for making it to the final step. Now you are ready to schedule your mock and find out what to expect. First, it is important to know that you will be teaching a Bling staff trainer who will act as a student. Your mock class will last 20 minutes for the actual mock and 10 minutes for the trainer feedback. The mock doesn't begin as soon as you enter the classroom, so you will have time to speak with the trainer and ask any necessary questions. It is essential that you are fully prepared and have the necessary props, lighting, attire, background and logo, and understand how to use all of the functions in the classroom. You can enter the classroom 14 hours earlier through the Roombox app or 20 minutes earlier through my page to practice and familiarize yourself with the functions. You must schedule your mock after completing the onboard training. Trainers will give scheduling information during this process. Your mock class performance will be evaluated based on various aspects using Bling's rubric. Please refer to this for more detailed information. A mock report will be sent to you via email after the mock.
You are almost ready to be scheduled, so let's see what the mock trainers are looking for. First, background, lighting, logo, and minimizing any background noise. Second, how will you utilize the Bling Classroom platform? So practice using the tools beforehand. When you interact with the mock student, remember to bring their video down to the blackboard. The third thing they are looking for is your use of props and TPR. Fourth, balancing your TTT, STT. Do you know what those are? And finally, the quality of praise and error correction. Remember that your mock lesson slides will have a teacher's guide. Follow the teacher's guide, but add your own personal style. When the actual mock starts, there's a big value in your energy level. So, depending on the age of the student, adjust your energy level accordingly. They do like good energy. Let's see what a mock class looks like.
Before the actual mock lesson starts, the instructor will explain a few things and answer some questions. Usually this section will last just a few minutes, then the actual mock will start. Teacher C, are you ready?
Okay, got it. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to BlingABC. My name is Teacher C. What's your name?
My name is Coco the Panda.
I name is Coco.
My name is Coco the Panda.
Well done. Good job. Okay, are you ready?
Go!
Okay, let's warm up. Oh, look. What's she eating?
Lemon!
Do you like lemons?
I very like.
I like lemons. Do you like lemons?
Oh, I like lemon. I like lemons.
Me too. I like lemons too. Let's learn about a drink we can make with these. Okay, let's listen up. Look and speak.
Okay.
Coco, these fruits are lemons.
Lemon.
Oh, that's right. Say lemons.
Lemon.
Lemons.
Lemons.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Good. Lemon. Lemons.
Lemons.
Very good. Lemons are sour like this. Well done, Coco. High five. High five. High
Yay.
five. Yeah. Good job. Okay, let's try it. Okay,
Yes.
let's read. Say, how do you make lemonade?
How do you make lemonade?
Good try, Coco. Listen and say, how do you?
How do you
Yes. Make lemonade.
make lemonade?
Yes. Again. Say, how do you make lemonade?
How do you make lemonade?
Yes. Great job, Coco. Okay. You cut apples. You cut apples?
No.
You cut oranges?
No.
You cut lemons?
Yes.
Yes! Say, you cut lemons.
You cut lemons.
Oh, fantastic! You are a good English speaker, Coco. Okay, now it's your turn to try, okay?
Yes. Ready.
How do you make lemonade?
How do you make lemonade?
Good! How do you make lemonade? You cut You cut apples?
No.
No. You cut oranges?
Oh, I know. Let me try. Lemons.
Yes, that's right. You cut lemons. Again, you cut lemons.
You cut lemons.
Coco, again. Say the question. How do you make?
How do you make lemonade?
Good. Again. How do you
make lemonade? You cut lemons.
Yes, that was fantastic. High five. Coco, don't forget to make lemonade at home, okay?
Okay.
Great. See you next time. Bye-bye, Coco. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Firstly, well done Teacher C for completing your mock class. You have great energy for the age of the student. You are friendly and smile a lot. This would make a nervous student feel comfortable. You demonstrated great student encouragement and motivated the student to participate. You gave good, clear instructions and used a lot of TPR, which is fantastic. You were able to prompt the student to copy your actions and get them involved in the lesson. You gave good, timely correction. Remember to allow the student enough time to respond. Sometimes they are very shy or they can have a delay in their connection. Your level of teacher talk time was good. For new teachers, this can be difficult, and you can do this by giving the student time to answer, allow the student to read and ask questions, elicit answers using TPR, props, prompt the students to work in pairs by participating in role plays, and prompt complete sentences when necessary. You praise the student very well. Try to use a variety of ways to praise them, such as high five, clap, thumbs up, and whatever you feel comfortable doing. You handled the platform very well and you understand how to use the functions. Your background is very child friendly and you clearly have the BlingABC logo, but don't forget your name. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do have some questions. What happens after the mock?
You will need to write comments for this mock class and evaluate the student as if it were a real class. You can find sample comments on my page. This is part of your evaluation.
Okay, so when will I know I passed?
You will receive an email with your grade and evaluation. A pass grade is an A or B. Most teachers receive a B grade. If you don't pass, you can reschedule your mock for a second time on my page.
What do I do after I pass?
Add Ding Talk and wait for someone from Bling to connect with you. You are now ready to be scheduled for classes. Stay in contact with your admin on Ding Talk. They will help you.
Great, that was good information, thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
I hope you found this helpful. Remember that the evaluator will also ask you to demonstrate how to do some functions in the classroom platform. So be ready, practice how to do some things. Reach out to your Bling contact to find out more information and, of course, prepare. Take deep breaths and be yourselves.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. Remember to prepare yourself, practice as much as you can, and most importantly, remember to have fun.